So we're just working with our turning and our walking, our basics again, just to get ourselves back into business. You're supposed to stand while I'm getting on, Missy. That weren't good. What are you doing? Doing crazy things. Trying to understand me. Oh, she's cranky. She's trying to do everything she can to get out of working. I'm just going to go for a little round trot. Drop your head. Relax. Yep. Yep. Hi. Still refusing, being silly. Cranky pants. Don't be silly. See, she's very cranky. Hey. Turning. Come on. Get up. Yeah. Really not wanting to be... She's not wanting to listen today. Stop that. Whoop. Yep. Good, that's better. Slow things down. Relax yourself. Turning. Good. Good job. That's better. Ready? Turning. Turning. Better. She's really naughty. Being very naughty today. Hey! Stop. She's going to buck. Hup. Yeah, she's throwing a tantrum. So boy's there. There's a boy there. Why? Nice face. That's better. Let's go. Come on. Oh, you want to touch? Okay, you can do touchies. Let's stretch. This way and that way. Lovely. Good girl. Oh, here comes the wind. Now let's see how much cranky ears we get this time. Come on, trot up. Right. We want a nice relaxed behaviour. Nothing crazy. That's better. A little bit better attitude. Very good. Good girl. Yep. Good job. Hi. Yep. Step over slowly. Oh. Sore. Tender there. Thirsty, Bob? Hey? She's a bit thirsty. The wind is crazy. Whoa, we're going crazy. Very windy. Happy! Hey, Happy's girl! Happy! Hello, you come to watch me have a ride. Good boy. Yeah. Good girl. Alright. Good girl. And whoa. Oh. Very cold for summer. Hey, Toki! Stop that! Chocolate! Pepsi! Stop! Good girl. Yep. She's really being very coy about things today. She's probably tired. They have to be vigilant when it's windy like this. Watch the branches and things like that. Yep. Get up. Come on. Right. Right. Don't do that. Giving me those ears of I'm not going to listen. So we're going to make her move forward. We're not going to stop. We're going to keep going until she settles down and doesn't have those ears when I ask for a trot. Good girl. That's better. Still got them a little bit, but they're not as pinned. Get up. Yep. Get up. Yeah, she might be a bit tender in the belly today. I don't know. She's just carrying on. Some days they're like that. You have a great few days and then a day or so later it might be a completely different story. Just like us. Some days they don't want to do things and some days we don't want to do things. It's just how it is. Circle of life. And And she's probably getting sour from being stuck in here all the time as well. It's not helping. She's always had great feet, this horse. Always had great feet. Just the last couple of weeks, it's gone bad. It's like it's the weather for sure, because there are other people I know whose horses have been fantastic and their feet are suddenly having troubles. Get up. Get up. Good girl. Good job. And walk on. Good girl. Up. Good girl. Walk.